Lay the phone flat. Use one wet cleaning wipes to clean the screen. Use 2 microfiber cloths to dry the screen. Use 3 dust removal stickers to stick up the dust. Place alignment tool onto the phone screen top. Mark aligns with the top of the phone. Press down 4 corners of the tool to install firmly. Press the sides of the tool and pull out the dust removal strip smoothly. Wait 10 seconds for bubbles to automatically dissipate. Press the center of screen protector with one hand. Pull up the alignment tool and protective layer with another hand. Installation complete. Place the no protector onto the alignment tool, locating pillar for fixation. Gently push up from the bottom to allow the protector to naturally fall into place and align. Insert the tab into the gap of the tool. Keep the tray for the next use. If there are bubbles along the edge of the screen, lift the protector from the edge and squeeze the bubbles outward. Lay the phone flat. Use 1 wet wipes to clean the camera lens. Use 2 microfiber cloths to dry the camera lens. Use 3 dust removal stickers to stick up the dust. Tear off protective layer. Align each camera lens and press to install it. Use 2 microfiber cloths to press protector repeatedly to make it sticks tightly. Installation complete.